Welcome students. Today I am going to a new topic of types of energy. Already we have learnt about energy. What do you mean by energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Energy is the capacity of work. Why do we need energy? Using the transportation. What energy is using transportation? It is using for fuels. It is using for fuel. What do you mean by fuels? Coal, oil and natural gas. These three materials is burned to produce heat or power. Next one, heating homes. What energy is using heating homes? Many electrical appliances are using in your homes. So, in this electrical appliance is used for electrical energy. One type of electrical energy. Next one, cooking. In cooking, used in the solar energy and then chemical energy. Next one, power machinery used for agriculture and industry. Agriculture is used for thermal energy and solar energy. So, Earth is a storehouse of energy. For example, fossil fuels, wind, water, solar energy. In the energy, one of the type of renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Now, let us see about renewable energy. What do you mean by renewable energy source? Then fuels that can be easily made or renewed. That means for renewable energy sources. What do you mean by renewable sources? The energy are replaced naturally. The energy are replaced naturally at over a period of time. We can keep using these sources for a long period of time. In this renewable sources, it is used for a long period of time. So, we use these resources for light, transportation, cooking and heating. For example, sun, wind, water. These are the different sources of renewable energy sources. Wind energy, solar energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, biofuel energy. These are the picture of the renewable resources. Wind energy, for example, windmill. Solar energy, it is a main source of sun. Hydrothermal energy, it is a main source of water. The next we will move to solar energy. It is a main source of sun. The solar energy is the most readily available source of energy. So, it is free. It is also the most important of the non-conventional sources of energy. What do you mean by non-conventional? We can use these to produce a clean form of energy. Non-conventional means, for example, solar energy. It can be used to produce a clean form of energy. So, it is a non-polluting. Next, we will move to non-renewable resources. The resources which are not easily replaced ones, that is known as non-renewable resources. What do you mean by non-renewable resources? The resources which are not easily replaced. For example, petrol, coal and natural gas. Petrol, coal and natural gas. These are the example for non-renewable resources. Petrol, coal and natural gas. These are the difference between renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Then first one, renewable energy, examples for wind, hydropower, solar, biogas, etc. And non-renewable resources are petrol, coal and natural gas. Next, advantages of renewable energy sources. Then first point, non-exhaustible. What do you mean by non-exhaustible? In these resources are not get used up completely. For example, sunlight. Second point, it can be deliver the energy required for a specific task. Third point, it can be built on or close to the site where energy is required. Fourth point, reduce the cost of operations as the energy resources are natural. Okay students, what do you mean by renewable energy? It is energy or replaced naturally. Replaced naturally. For example, sun, wind, water. Next, advantages of non-renewable resources. It is available in highly concentrated form. Second point, it is easy to store. Third point, it is a reliable supply. That means it is a good quality of the material. Last point, lower cost per unit of energy produced as the technology is matured. Then last point, it is a lower cost. That means it is easily developed. Okay, what do you mean by non-renewable resources? The resources which are not easily replaced ones. For example, petrol, coal and natural gas. I give some questions there. First one, what is the main source of energy on earth? The sun. Second question, what is a non-renewable resource? It will eventually run out. Once used, you cannot use it again. That means non-renewable resource. Third question, name 4 non-renewable resources. Coal, oil and natural gas. Fourth question, what is a fossil fuel? A store of energy made from organic matter. Fifth question, name 3 fossil fuels. Coal, oil and natural gas. Okay students, I hope all are understood the topic. Thank you for listening students.